Hello audience, you are welcome to Afolat Tutors. I'm excited to have you join me again. In this video, we'll look at how to insert new columns and rows on an existing table. Now, let's take a look at this table that we have created in our previous video. I would like to create, let's say I would like to create a row between row 1 and 2. All I need to do is to highlight row 1. First, I'll come to the edge. When it turns to a white arrow, I'll click to highlight it. Then I'll right click and I'll select insert rows. Is it above or below? Then I'll say insert rows below. When I click, then it will insert a new row for me. Is it clear? If I would still like to insert a new row again, I'll just right click, then go to insert, then I'll choose insert rows above, then another row is being inserted. I hope it's clear. Then I can make whatever changes I would like to make. Then I'll make this 4. Let's say I would like to enter another data here. I hope it's clear. Now, let's assume I would like to merge a cell. Let's assume I would like to merge these two cells. I'll click on the cell, press down my shift arrow, then my right arrow. I would like to merge these two cells. Then I'll right click, then click on merge, then to merge the cells together. Another way to merge cells is, let's say I would like to merge this cell and this cell together and these three. So I'll click on this, press my shift key on my keyboard, then my right arrow to highlight the cell, highlight the second cell, then I'll still click on my right to move again. Then I'll come here, right click, then on this list I'll click on what? Merge cells. Then this will merge my entire cells. So here I can just type whatever I would like to type. I can click, highlight it, press Ctrl E to centralize it. I can also increase the size. I hope it's clear. So in this video we have looked at how to insert a new row and also how to merge cells. Let's quickly look at how to insert a new column as well. Let's say I would like to insert a column between name and age. I'll just come here on top of the column. When it turns to that black plus, I'll click. Okay, let me use this, please. Click, right click, then click on insert. Insert columns to the right or to the left. To the left. You can see a new column is being created. I can right click again, insert columns to the right, then it will be inserted. Then you can insert whatever things you want to insert on this column. I hope it's clear. Please feel free to play this video as much as you want for a better understanding. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share our videos. Thank you.